Before beginning, turn off the electricity at the circuit breaker or fuse box. If you are not familiar with electrical wiring, consult a qualified person or electrician. Tools needed are wire strippers, Phillips head screwdriver, and pliers. Remove the existing light fixture from the ceiling if needed. Your junction box typically has 3 wires: live, neutral, and ground. Refer to the wiring diagrams provided in the instruction manual if you have other colored wires in your box. You are going to identify each of the terminals on the SkyOutlet. Ground indicated by a G or a green dot. Neutral indicated by W or white dot. Live indicated by L1 or a black dot. L2 with a red dot is not used in this application. Before proceeding, loosen up each of the terminals. Strip the edge of the wire to 9/16 inch. Insert the branch circuit wires into the corresponding color-coded terminals on the SkyOutlet. Insert ground, typically a copper color, into the G with a green dot. Insert neutral, typically white, into the W with a white dot. Secure the wires by tightening the terminal screws, making sure they cannot be pulled out. Insert live, typically black, into L1 with a black dot. Carefully place the wires inside of the junction box. If your junction box has multiple wires connected together, you will need to attach them to a jumper lead and insert the single jumper lead into the terminal. Only one wire can be inserted into each color-coded terminal. Jumper leads are provided in the retrofit kit. Using the rubber washers, place them on the screws and position them between the ceiling and the bracket as shown. The washers ensure proper placement of the SkyOutlet on the ceiling. Continue securing the SkyOutlet. Attach the cover plate by aligning the grooves to the bracket on the SkyOutlet. The SkyOutlet is safe to touch,